Hey friends, Khwaja Daniel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in January I got graduated in Bachelor of Business Administration and I decided that I'm going to open a YouTube channel and I'm going to make 300 videos. But I only made 37 videos, which was very bad because I was not able to achieve my goals. So I decided I need to improve my time management skills. In university I used to follow a timetable which was given by university, but after graduation, there was no timetable, and I used to wake up like 11 a.m., 1 p.m., 2 p.m., which was very bad because there are only 24 hours in a day. So I thought I need to make timetable and I need to learn time management skills because time is the most valuable non-renewable resource. You cannot make time, but you can make money. So in this video I'm going to teach you. So the purpose of time management is you make use of most of the time, but not only for the YouTube channel but for other life activities. So in this video I'm going to teach you what I learned about time management skills and what are the three methods to manage your time. So the number one method is planning an ideal week. Now this method is called bullet journaling. Now you may have seen many videos online, people making very beautiful and colorful bullet journals, but the problem with me is that my handwriting is not good, so I have used spreadsheet. Well, it saved me a lot of time and I do not have to focus on my handwriting. Plus I can write my notes on my spreadsheet at any time, and also you can use it on my phone. Now I will show you the spreadsheet, and this is how the spreadsheet looks like. The empty spreadsheet, the months are at the top and the weekends are also highlighted in colors. You can see it's very beautiful and simple. You can edit your time here. You can edit your topics for your YouTube channel here. And this is how my journal looks like. You can see all the topics I have written. First I used to make like lots of uh, full length videos, 10-minute videos. Now I have decided to make short form videos, and for that I already have written all the topics that I think I will make. I know I will not be able to make all of them, but I will try my best to do that. So now I have told you the first method. Now let's get to the second method. So the second method is called planning an ideal week. The idea behind this was we all want to achieve goals in our life, but we only have 24 hours in a day, and we need to know how we are going to use that time. And to use that time effectively, we need a system, and for that we are going to use Google Calendar. So now let's open our Google Calendar. So this is how my calendar looks like, and as you can uh, so this is how my calendar looks like, and as you can see, my morning wake up and morning walk is from 8 to 9 a.m. and how you can do is just look at this 7 to 8 a.m. is empty, so what I'm going to click here and I'm going to write morning walk, or I will say morning, and then I will click on more options, then I will click on all day, and click on daily, or I can do from Monday to Sunday, or weekly or daily. I'm going to select daily, then I'm going to select the color yellow as it shows sunrise, and I will click on save, and let's save it. And as you can see, it's showing right now morning, but right now I'm going to undo it because I wanted to show you how to set up your calendar. And I have set up my night from 10 to 15, so I want to sleep so that I wake up early in the morning and I have my 8 hours of sleep. And after that you can set up your time as you want. Like at morning you can do video recording, or you can study. If you like to study in morning, you can study, like do your online course, or you read a book. Then you can have lunchtime. I spend lunchtime and shop with my father. Then you can do script writing, or you can do gym, or you can do again video recording or video editing. It was video editing actually. I have to change it. Video editing. Click save, and then click on all events and click OK. So this is how it changes, and you can set up how you want your calendar to look like. So because I'm a solopreneur and I have free time, I can adjust as much time as I want, because I also do not follow totally on the script. Sometimes I like to play chess at like 12 or 1 p.m. or at night after 10, and I can change whenever I want, and sometimes I have to meet my friends, so I have to change the blocks, and you can do it by yourself, and it's easy to do. You do not need to fully commit to this, but the benefit and the point of making your calendar is you do not need to worry and think a lot about what you're going to do like on Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. That's the point of making a calendar. So, what I love about Ideal Week calendar is that I do not have to think about what I'm going to do next. And the best thing is that I cannot say that I do not have time. I can say I'm not choosing the time to do for that activity. I'm prioritizing what I want to do in life, and it makes you less stressed about that you do not have too much time to do other things. So that's what I love about Ideal Week calendar. So if you want to know how setting up your calendar helps you out, well, it will help you prioritize your things, and you will not feel overwhelmed that you wanted to do more because you want to and you were not able to do it. So the number two is that I do not have to set list of things that I need to do in a day. This means that I do not need to worry what I'm going to do every day, and I'm telling you, it really helps you out. And now in my calendar, I'm going to add a course which I'm going to upload on YouTube, which means it's going to be changed. So the third method is how you are going to plan your ideal day. And just for that, I just follow my calendar, and today is Wednesday, and I'm going to follow it. But there's one more thing, that I'm going to start a course, so it's going to be changed in the future. But right now I'm going to just follow my calendar. So I'm going to tell you that if you do not follow your calendar, if you not manage your time, you're going to waste a lot of time, and you are going to wake up like 1 a.m. or 1 p.m. and you're going to wake up like 1 p.m. or you're going to wake up like 11 p.m. and you're just going to wake up like 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. and it's going to be very hard to follow your day, because you only have 24 hours in a day. You will be very disorganized, but if you follow your calendar, you're going to be organized. So in last, if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, subscribe, share and press the bell icon. I will see you in next video.